That's a cat fight.
Brother and brother.
That's a brother fight.
I don't think that's a brother fight.
I don't think you can fight with them like that. They mad at each other. Look at his eyes.
What happened?
Like, you took my... They probably outside with some hoes and like, you took my hoe, nigga.
Look at
Squad up, son.
Look at his tail, Mom.
Squad up, son. Ooh, they sissing.
Carry out. I think you need to break that up.
No.
So, Siani, what did you think about the cat fight?
The what?
The cat fight.
The who? The cat fight. That was very terrible. They're not supposed to fight like that.
Kamani, what did you think about the cat fight?
It was awesome.
It was
I've
awesome.
never seen a cat fight. I'm so serious.
And Kayla, what did you think about the cat fight that just took place in your own living room?
That drink was hot.
I think you don't know about Andre.
That was hot.
What did you think about the cat fight?
That they should not fight because they are brothers.
That's right. And brothers should not fight at all. Or sisters. Right?
That's a whole different story.
That's a whole different story. What do you think, Xavier, about how you and your brother were just fighting?
He feels horrible. That's why he's looking down.
You feel horrible?
He looks bad at it.
Tell us, Xavier.
Oh, he doesn't feel horrible.
Alex. Alex. Don't leave. Come back and talk about it. Alex.
Come on.
Come on. Come back. Come talk about it. Alex. What kind of cat is he? Alex. Domino, what do you think about the fight that just happened? Huh? You think you need a haircut? That's what you think? Domino. What do you think, Domino? Come on. Come on, Tink Tink. Did you get to see the cat fight?
Yep.
And what did you think about it?
It was horrible because now Alex is mad.
Yes, and Alex left. And that was just horrible. How was your day at school?
Good.
Kaden, what did you think? What did you think about the cat fight?
No.
That's what you think now?
No.
And that's all you thought about it? Alright, say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Kyrie, what did you think about the cat fight?
I think it was just like a little brother thing, you know, like how men kill, you know, you probably have a little fight. It's just a little brother thing.
Oh, okay. Don't ever play with the prince like that, though. You feel me?
It's like, no, I named him. His name is Jack. Jack.
You gonna rename Alex to Jack?
Yeah, it's Jack. It's Jack.
Yeah, I don't know. Alex don't really suit him anymore. He a little thug.
Yeah, Jack. Like, yeah, Jack.
And now Kaden is making a snow angel in the floor of the kitchen. Is it fun, Kaden?
Yes.
Do you have anything to say, Xavier? Prince Xavier. Do you have anything to say about the fight? It appears like you're ignoring me. Xavier!